This video is about how to create a Google AdSense account for YouTube. Now on the YouTube studio, you need to go to the monetization section to see if you are eligible for the YouTube partner program. And you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours to qualify for this program. You should also activate the two-step authentication and be free from active community guidelines strikes to qualify for this program. And after becoming eligible for the YouTube partner program, you can start applying for the YouTube Google AdSense account. And you need first to review the partner program terms and conditions. And you can also choose whether you want to receive communications from AdSense. The second thing is to sign up for the Google AdSense, where you may need to sign in again to your YouTube channel. You may also need to choose a Google account that you want to use to create the AdSense account. The next thing is to again agree to the terms and the conditions of Google AdSense, then continue to AdSense. And on your AdSense account, you need to provide and verify your personal and payment information, then allow AdSense to review your information. And after your application is approved, you can set and view how ads will appear on your videos. And on this left hand side, you can explore all these sections, including account and payments, where you need to make your settings accordingly. And to start receiving payments from AdSense, you need first to verify your AdSense account through a PIN from AdSense. And according to AdSense terms and conditions, you can only have one AdSense account. And if your AdSense account remains inactive for 6 months, it will be deactivated. And to delete your YouTube AdSense account, you need to go to the account section, then account information, and go on to close down your account. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it. And if you want to grow and succeed on YouTube and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.